guys, it's Joseph and Carissa with CQ Real Estate Group.
Hey, if you're new here or this is your first time watching us, we are a real estate team in Albuquerque, Mexico, passionate about our city. And what better way to show off our city than the Balloon Fiesta? So we're gonna give you some tips and tricks from the locals and show you what the experience is like.
Good morning. How do you feel?
Pretty good, pretty good.
When my family comes in town for the Balloon Fiesta, I always make them come this early.
Really?
Tickets, please. Benitez. Tickets, please. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Fantastic. Good morning.
So something to think about. We just got here to the Balloon Fiesta. You're gonna wanna get your burritos and your coffee right away. That way you can try and avoid as much line as possible, because when everyone starts rolling in, you're gonna be waiting in line for like 20 minutes.
Very long line.
Yeah. We're taking a morning wellness shot. Look at the menu, they have jalapeno. Okay, so this is kind of like the sissy sauce version.
This is kids and cocktails.
Okay.
This is like,
all right.
I'm a tough mother.
Okay.
So it's like your daily dose of turmeric, ginger, horseradish, garlic, onion.
All right, which one?
This is the most popular. It's straight up with a little bit of honey. It actually spikes the heat a little bit. So I would start here.
Okay, let's do it. Oh no. Because you don't do this stuff. Well, cheers. Balloon Fiesta. Oh, that's deep. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Woo, you were not lying.
It's serious business. Now, if you want a sweet chaser, try the vanilla sarsaparilla.
Go ahead, Benitez. Let's see what you got.
We got this is for men right here.
Yeah.
For grown men.
For grown men.
Oh yeah.
This will be the first time at Pinon Coffee with hot chocolate, so I'm looking forward to the experience. This is like the largest event that people wake up the most early in the morning for, so it's
like
really
4 a.m. early.
4 a.m.
Let's
okay.
be real, more like 3:30.
So we're about to have a lot of fun. We got our coffee locked and loaded. Let's go get some burritos. Do you want chili? Got to see some magic beneath this. You've had Blake's before, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
I got the green chili Blake's burrito over here. Benitez went ahead and went with the Christmas burrito. So
he decided to put green chili today just because we were on video.
Benitez, I can't believe that you're calling me out on camera. Is it hot? Mm-hmm. Eat your words, Benitez. Eat your words.
God bless you. Thank you.
Steve, you got 20 seconds for a question?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna ask you what's your favorite thing about the Balloon Fiesta?
Oh, my favorite thing about Balloon Fiesta. You know, I love the people. The balloons are spectacular, but I've just fallen in love with the crowds over the years. I don't care how well traveled, how sophisticated they are. They come here and they turn into little kids.
It's true.
And I just get such joy out of seeing their delight at this event.
Awesome. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. We love
You're
seeing
welcome.
you here too.
So it's R7, so we have to go over here.
Oh, I got R3.
Okay.
Cages to be out on the back, cages in on the front. We always screw down, we don't screw up. So it's
What can be better than this though, right? Yeah. Like the sunrise coming in, you got the pink clouds and no wind right now. Like
it's gonna be a beautiful morning. Let's see, get into it. There we go, we'll just go nice and slow. Hold back here.
we are here with William Blizzard, one of the crew members and pilots of this balloon that's going to be going up today for the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. You've had your pilot license for how long?
Almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years this February.
But this is your first Balloon Fiesta flying as a pilot.
First Balloon Fiesta flying as a pilot,
Oh,
yeah.
That's so awesome.
Really exciting, yeah.
And you've been crewing for how long?
I started in 2000.
In
so
2000.
this will be my 21st year in ballooning.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, 21st year. And how have you enjoyed it?
It's been a blast. It's a lot of fun. We've traveled all over the country, all over the world, doing different events and flying.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So if somebody wanted to get involved on the crew, what would the process look like?
So if they know a pilot, that's the easiest way, right? Say, hey, I just want to come out, I'm interested, I want to see what it's like. The other way is if you see a balloon flying or if they're just setting up or landing somewhere, you can connect with them. We've done that. Actually, some of our crew, that's how we've got them. We've flying at Balloon Fiesta, land out in Corrales, meet somebody, put them in the basket, give them a ride, and then all of a sudden they're a part of the crew.
Congratulations on this being your first
Thanks.
Balloon Fiesta as a flying man. I'm so excited.
Thanks.
Love your balloon. I love you guys' vibe. There's a bunch of smiles over here when I'm watching you guys.
We have lots of the bear, lollipop.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's so cool. Let's see. Yeah.
They come here and they turn into little kids.
What's your favorite thing about Balloon Fiesta?
All the balloons, all the people.
Where are you from?
Helen, Georgia.
Oh, getting to see all my friends from 30 and 40 years.
How long have you been coming flying Balloon Fiesta?
Since about 82. Phoenix, Arizona, and Jackson, Wyoming.
The site?
Awesome.
You think it's pretty here? Get up there.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Oh, it's spectacular. Everything's my favorite thing.
Yeah?
My friends.
Awesome.
Yes, everything.
How long have you been doing it?
12 years.
Where are you from?
South Dakota now.
South Dakota. All right. Take care, guys. Thank you guys. Have a good day.
Just the people and the food and getting to come and fly in this amazing weather.
Awesome. Where are you from?
Cordele, Georgia.
Right on. Welcome, guys.
Thanks so
Take care.
much.
Just the excitement of getting in the air every day and meeting all the people at the other end.
Awesome. Where are
Yep.
you guys from?
South Dakota.
Welcome, guys. Take
Thank
care.
you.
For us, it's like family reunion.
Is it? Like that?
yeah.
Oh, that's a good way to depict it. I love that.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
South Dakota, Iowa.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
South
covers
Dakota,
it.
Iowa? Okay,
Yeah.
well, right on. Well, you guys enjoy the flight today, okay? Have a good one. It's great to meet you.
Now that the balloons are in the sky, you just got to see hundreds take off, and you literally look every direction. There's something new to catch your eye. We just want to let you know there are some things that you got to do if you're local or if you're visiting. You got to make sure you hit the hot spots in Albuquerque.
Of course, you got the Albuquerque tram. Takes you all the way from ground up to the Sandia Mountains, which is beautiful. You have the McCall's Pumpkin Patch.
Albuquerque is also turning into quite the foodie city, so make sure you hit Sawmill District, you hit Tin Can Alley, Green Jeans, there's the Central 505, all the indoor food halls.
And there's plenty of shopping to do. You make sure you make it to Old Town. Old Town is actually the heart of Albuquerque, so that's one hot spot that you got to stop by for sure.
Down there, there's also the zoo, the aquarium. There's also El Vado Motel that has some really good food and some shopping. All right, so once you check out our beautiful city, don't forget to take a nap, and we'll see you next time.